Hello everybody, my name is Shazada, and in this video I'm going to go over what types of video content we have to offer. Alright, so now that your socials are connected, let's take a look at the content you can share. So when you connect your socials, the platform might take you to the content calendar, but what I want you to do is go onto the navigational panel on the left and click videos to share. There you go. A library of current educational videos at your fingertips. So first up, we have monthly stats reports. In these videos, you're going to see info on specific stats that's going to help determine the state of the market. They show specific stats on sales and prices of houses and determine if it's a buyer or a seller market for your region. And this data is extracted from real estate board affiliations, so it's always credible. And if you scroll down the video there on the preview, you can actually click edit caption or hashtags to personalize the post more to your liking. Next, we have the market reports. These videos also update people on the current state of the market in the general US or your region. These videos will cover more topics related to the housing market, such as mortgage rates and their effects on it, or other external factors that have an impact on the market. These videos are generated from housing articles, so also, of course, credible. Next, we have mobile-friendly videos, and as the name suggests, these videos are in vertical format. So as you can see, they're just bigger, and you'll be able to see your contact info more better on these videos. So now we are at our fluffy and fun videos. This is our homeowner tips and tricks. These are more lighter content that differentiates your content, so it's not all just heavy hard facts all the time, and you have some more light and fluffy stuff for everyone to enjoy. So you'll find homeowner tips over here and tricks, do's and don'ts, and just some more fun content like that. Then we have our sub-market reports. Now, these videos are for pro users, and they're just more specific in location and therefore more valuable for your audience and for you. They give city-specific market updates, and realtors know how valuable this content can be and are willing to pay it, luckily. If you want to mix it up a bit, for this next category, you can actually you can be the only one posting a video in your location. So for these videos here, it's only $9.99, and you can be the only one posting it in your area. Next, we have our brokerage videos, which are city-specific market updates that have your brokerage's branding on it. So look, you can see this one here has Remax, and then there is also Century 21, if you see, and these are all based on Vancouver market updates. And then we have another fun little category where we introduce neighborhoods and share important stats on that area. So these videos are picked out from the neighborhoods you selected in your settings. If you go to your settings on the content calendar tab under target markets over here, that's where you'll see all of these neighborhoods, neighborhood target markets that you selected. So let's head back to the videos. So these neighborhood videos will tell you about the vibe, the housing price in that area, transit, schools, and more. So it's super fun and informational for everyone to see. But that's not it. If you want videos for your listings, we can do that too. So now you have an idea of what types of videos we have to share. And in the next video, I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about our news articles and landing pages that go with them, and the content calendar. So I'll see you there. Thank you for listening. I hope this helps.